China and Ecuador signed a free trade agreement last week to boost bilateral trade and business ties. Once the FTA goes into effect, as much as 90% of the goods traded between China and Ecuador will be exempted from tariffs, while 60% of them will enjoy zero tariffs immediately, according to the deal. A Chinese importer said he expects better development in trade between the two countries.
我们也是在全世界范围内，也是寻找一些比较好的产品，然后进口到我们国内来。那厄瓜多我是一个很重要，就我们的一个合作伙伴。也从2020年到现在2022年这3年，我们的平均每年应该进口的也差不多接近150条柜，就是这个进口。那整个市场我们应该说也感觉整个反馈是非常好的。那我们目前也在加大这方面的投入。我们今年的话呢，打算整个预计我们进口规模会比上一年可能会接近翻一番，就可能会接近300条柜子。那这个的话，这次更加收到这么好的一个消息，自贸协定又签下来了。那我估计后面的话可能会有更加大的一个发展。
China is Ecuador's second largest trading partner. In 2022, the two countries witnessed double-digit growth in trade for the second year in a row, with bilateral trade reaching $13.1 billion, up 19.7% year-on-year, according to data by the Chinese Ministry of Commerce.